is for elephant,
Elephant, elephant.
E is for egg, 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 egg. E is for Ethan, Ethan, Ethan. It's the turn for letter F.
F is for fish, fish, fish.
F is for fruit, fruit, fruit.
F is for faith, faith, faith.
Congratulations! We just learned the letters D, E, and